Hey there, everyone. Today we will make something cool with Arduino Mega. We will connect the following sensors with Arduino Mega: DHT11 for temperature, SW1801P for vibration, MPU6050 for acceleration and rotation, and HW028 for rain detection and also its intensity. Let's see its wiring diagram. I have provided the pin connection and the diagram in the description. Go check it. Let's make this project. Now connect the data cable with the Arduino Mega. Select the board from Boards Manager. Select the Arduino Mega board. Also, select the port. If you don't know your port, then you can simply open the Device Manager. Check for ports, and there note down your port on which the Arduino is connected. Now you can upload the code. Wait while it's done uploading. Now click on Serial Monitor. See, we are getting the temperature, acceleration, rotation, rain sensor value, and the vibration sensor value. If you have any questions or you want me to make a specific project, do leave a comment. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.